I am about to let this very big secret of mine out. Yes. Now, over the last couple of videos, the thumbnails you have been seeing on this channel were all designed by AI. Yes, you heard me right. This, and even this. Chances are the thumbnail you're seeing on this video currently is one that is designed by AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step of all the processes I go through to be able to design such high quality, aesthetically pleasing, YouTube algorithm worthy thumbnails. And I do not want you to miss any step of this, so watch this video to the end to be able to know how. My name is Apiamira. Let's get right into it. Alright, so going straight into the point, we're about to design thumbnails with AI. Now, thumbnails are one of the biggest hurdles of every YouTuber, especially we the up and coming YouTuber. You shoot a very good video, or you're about to shoot a very good video, but then the worry is how to get a very good thumbnail for your video, because a thumbnail is like the main marketing material of your video. It's how you present and package your video out there to people. How do we get such quality thumbnails? Now, some time ago I discovered this awesome way of making high quality thumbnails without hiring any graphic designer or without investing even a peso or a penny in it. And we are going to make use of AI. So let me just get on my phone and let's get right into it. Now, to achieve this, we are going to make use of AI. So there are two AIs that we are going to use. I'll start with the first one, and in the course of the video we'll move into the second AI from start to finish, how we are able to generate the thumbnail. So make sure you follow through keenly. So the AIs we're using, one is a very basic AI that we all know, and the other one, I mean, not everybody knows, but then it is also a very popular AI, and we're going to make use of these AIs. The first one we're going to make use of is ChatGPT. If you do not have ChatGPT, visit chatgpt.com or you download the ChatGPT app on the Play Store. You launch your ChatGPT, and once you launch your ChatGPT, you're welcome into this interface. Now, this is a magic prompt into getting the best thumbnails from AI. So this is the prompt. You are going to type into ChatGPT, describe the best thumbnail for a video titled, then you add the title of the video, right? This is the magic prompt. Do not let anybody deceive you. I'm giving you this soap for free. So title of the video, let's actually use this video you're watching right now as an experiment. So how to generate YouTube thumbnails with AI. So describe the best thumbnail for a video titled how to generate YouTube thumbnails with AI. Or you can also enter describe how the best thumbnail for a video titled, then you put in the title of the video. Make sure you either put the title of the video in quotes or in all caps so that the AI will be able to distinguish between what is the title and what is the prompt. Once you're done, you send it and you allow ChatGPT to do its magic. Now it will start giving you how the thumbnail is supposed to look like from start to finish. But then we're not done yet. This is just the foundation of what we are actually coming to do. So once it is done generating the text, you long press on it and then you click on copy, and then you move on to the second AI. Now in the second AI, it's called Ideogram. I already have the app installed. If you do not have the app installed, you go to the website ideogram.ai. Of course, I'll leave a link to it in the description. You go to ideogram.ai and you can download the application from there or use it on your browser like Google Chrome or Safari Opera Mini or any other browser you want to use. Once you go onto the website, you might want to initially log in with your Google account. I've already done that. That is why you do not see it here. And on the interface, you can see similar things or other creations by other people who use the ideogram website. So you click on this plus icon here, and what you're going to do, take note of these steps very well, because it is the guide to successful and beautiful thumbnail designs. Now you're going to paste the text here, and once you paste the text, you are not done. You have to scroll down, and then there is magic prompts, aspect ratio, visibility. Here is what I want you to focus on: aspect ratio. Now the aspect ratio, because you're working on a YouTube thumbnail, you'd want to change the aspect ratio into 16:9. So once you click on 16:9, leave everything as it is for now, and then you click on this big generate button up here. Once you click on generate, you have to wait for some few minutes, maybe 1 minute, for the prompt to be able to work, or for the artificial intelligence in this website to be able to generate thumbnails for you. Now this will give you 4 options of thumbnails, which you can choose your best one and use for your YouTube thumbnail. And once it is complete, you see the 4 variations of the thumbnails designed by this AI here. Tell me this is not wonderful. Now let's look at it quickly. 4 thumbnails. This is the first one, how to generate YouTube thumbnails with AI. I mean, it's all good. Let's look at the second one, generate with AI. Then this is the third one. I mean, tell me if this is not wonderful. Now this will save you a lot of money and a lot of stress from having to design your own thumbnails, and would help you create more videos faster and better. Now, like this video if you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, or if you have any other suggestions. Subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever we post new and awesome content like this, you would be notified. My name is Apiamera, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.